So I wanted to do a quick video on this because I couldn't really find any videos explaining it. But this is going to be how to replace your factory rope seal into and replace it with a neoprene seal in the factory timing cover, not an aftermarket cover that already has it chamfered or milled for it. So first you want to take the timing cover off, like I have here, and then you want to bring it, and on the back side of it, on the inside, there's this retaining plate, and this is what holds the rope seal into its place. So you want to pry that out with like a screwdriver or something, and then you can see here and here there's some crimp marks that hold the plate in. You just want to sand them down so that they're nice and flush with like emery cloth or something, and then put a little RTV on the outside of the seal and some oil on the inside and press it straight in, and just drive it home all the way, and that's good to go on this end. And while you're in here, you can also do the thrust plate kit for your oil pump. And then on the pulley side of things, on these factory rope seal cranks and pulleys, they have this cross hatching here, and this goes all the way out to about here. And you want that on a rope seal because it like wears the seal in to make it seal. But on a neoprene seal, you don't want that. It'll just burn it up. From what I've heard, I have heard of people getting away with leaving it on. But BOP Engineering sells this sleeve. And basically you get the sleeve and you get the driver. And you basically just put this on straight, put that on, and just hammer it all the way on. It'll set the depth perfectly. And you kind of got to work it around the edge a little bit. You don't want to just hit in the center. You just kind of got to work the edge. But then once you got that on, you're good to go. And you just assemble it like factory.